Hey, Bryan Young, ProTinkerToys.com. Now, this is the, I think the 7th or 8th car that we're coming out with this year. And this is the 55 or 65 Mustang, Ford Mustang. 65 Mustang, fastback. And this is CP7828. CP7828. And this is the, I remember having one of these Mustangs. But it was an original Aurora car. Very close to this. They came out with a lot of Mustangs. But this one's 1959. That's my birth date. That's why I put 59 on this. So like if you're going to race it. So this is a, and these are limited production, guys. There are only 1,000 of these made. Like this one right here, this Blurple car, it's not available more. You know how much this car is going on eBay? It's going on eBay for nearly $4 million. $4 million already for that car right there. I'm just kidding, exaggerating a little bit. So that's a Thunderjet. They're going for about $100, these Blurple ones right here. Oh my gosh, his wings, holy, what an accident. Holy cow. Oh my gosh, come on, man. And that is the 65 Ford Mustang fastback. And that's a Thunderjet. Thunderjets have a new guide pin. It's it's not plastic. It's a metal guide pin, which will never break off, which is really nice. And then this is the Thunderjet chassis. It's a standard Thunderjet chassis. Okay, you have the armature, which all armatures can pop off. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button, and don't forget these are a limited edition. What do you mean, Brian, by limited edition? Well, there are 320 million. Oh, good Lord. There are 320 million Americans. There's 7 billion people. I've only made 1,000 cars. So, from that standpoint, there's very few. I mean, 1,000 is nothing. It is enough. Walmart sells 1,000 bananas every minute. Now think about that. Walmart sells 1,000 bananas every minute. Think about that. Walmart sells 1,000 bananas a minute, and I only bought 1,000 of these cars. And so this is the Thunderjet. This is the retaining clip. And then you can take the armature off. And those are your commutators right here. These are the little, they're basically, they help transfer electricity. Now these have changed from the original Aurora days. They weren't, this is what I always found fun was, you got to get them in just right. You'd have to, now there was no reason for me to do this, but I wanted to do this for people that don't know how to do it. The best thing to do is to get a pair of tweezers. And I have a pair of tweezers over there, but there we go. There. They all go one direction, and then you put this on real fast. There you go. And then your motor gear. And then you put your top plate on, or your retaining clip. And then put it on the track just to see if it runs. Very good. And then you screw it right back to your chassis. And don't forget to like and subscribe on our YouTube site. It's very important that you click the like button on the bottom. It really helps us to get better analytics. It's all a bunch of analytics. Oh my goodness. Let's go, Brian. Let's go, Brandon. Let's go, Brian. And that's the Ford Thunderbird not Thunderbird, Mustang, 1965 Ford Mustang with special paint scheme. This is a 1965 Mustang, one of the most popular cars made in America, the Ford Mustang. You could arguably say there's four, what?
You haven't even been able to see the car. You gotta park it somewhere so they can see it.
The Mustang is arguably the top 5 cars ever made. You could probably put on there the Model T, the Ford Mustang, the Bel Air, that's 3. Maybe the Camaro 5 and the Barracuda. I don't know if the Barracuda was a very popular car in the 60s. But for some reason, they just killed it. A lot of these companies, they just kill their golden goose. And this was one of the golden goose. This is what saved Ford in the 60s, was this car right here. Ford Mustang. Right here, look at that design. That's a classic car right there. The front end grille, everything. Check the red out in the back. And this is SC3, or I'm SC, why do I always say SC? Because that's what most of, this is CP7828. This is the Ford Mustang, and this is Thunderjet Ultra G, and this is available at ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe on the bottom. And also, don't remember, these are limited edition. Only 1,000 of these cars are available. And these are coming out very soon, within the next couple months. These will be available. That's right. And if you click our notification at the bottom here, and if you click to be subscribed, that means you'll get a notification every time we go live. Wow, when we have race night here at Pro Tinker Tour Thursday from 7 to 8, holy cow, we had a great race last night. You never want to miss it. It's like your popular TV show you have to watch every Thursday. And that you can do at ProTinkerToys.com on Thursday. If you don't have anything to do, pop some popcorn. Turn on YouTube. Get everything set up. Have your family watch, because it's a family-friendly show. We got my kids in here. We're racing. We're having funny jokes and everything. My brother's constantly eating food. My son is constantly eating junk. And it's at ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com.